Okay, let's go.
Hi guys! Good day! My name is John Wayne from Mitsubishi Commonwealth. Today, nandito tayo sa Expander Cross natin. I-introduce ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga magagandang features niya at bakit isa siya sa pinakamabentang unit natin. So yun guys, dito sa harap natin, makikita niyo yung Expander Cross 2026 model natin. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng quick background check about dito sa unit natin. So nanalo na to ng several awards. Isa na dito yung Autofocus Media Award sa Best MPV Design noong 2019 to 2020.
Okay, let's go.
Na-awardan na rin to ng Compact Carrier of the Year noong 2021, 2022, and 2023.
Okay, let's go.
So kung naghahanap ka ng best unit at best deal, ito na ang para sa'yo. For as low as 0 down payment with free 1 month, may uwi mo na ang pangarap mong sasakyan. Again, my name is John Wayne from Mitsubishi Commonwealth na magbibigay sa inyo ng best deal at the same time, best after sales service. Thank you. See you.